Did you know that you can customize the look of the icons on your Samsung Galaxy phone? This interesting option allows you to change the shape of your icons and make your device even more visually appealing and unique. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to customize the icon shapes according to your taste. If you're ready to refresh the look of your phone, let's get started. First, open your Galaxy Store app. Once you're in, search for the Good Lock app and install it if you don't have it yet. After installation, go ahead and tap Open to directly open the Good Lock app. Once you're in the Good Lock app, go to the Makeup section, find the Theme Park module and then tap the download icon. Wait a moment while the module is downloaded and installed. After the installation is complete, tap on the Theme Park module to open it. Now tap the Start button and in the pop-up window tap Allow All. Once you're in the settings at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the icon option, tap it. Then tap the Create New button. Here you'll see some of your app icons, and as you explore the shapes, you can see how they look when applied to the icons. In the Shape section, choose the one that best fits your style. Once you change the icon shape, it's important to note that on some icons, the shape will only visually change around the icon itself, while the core design of the icon remains the same. This means that the icon will keep its original design but will be placed within the selected shape, like a circle, square, or other custom frame. If you tap the plus icon, besides changing the shape of the icons, you can also add a background from your gallery to certain apps around the icon, or even use the sticker option. This feature allows the app icon to be transformed into the shape of the selected sticker. You can also choose the icon color and the background color that will be displayed on certain apps. Once you're done customizing, tap the download icon in the top right corner. In the window that appears, enter the name you want to use for the new design. Then tap OK to save the changes. After doing this, tap on your design and then tap Apply to apply it. Now you can return to the home screen with your apps, and you'll immediately notice the customized changes you've created. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and that you successfully customized the look of your device. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.